Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a common and uncomfortable condition that affects many people: heartburn. If you've ever experienced a burning sensation in your chest, you know how unpleasant and even alarming it can be. But what exactly is heartburn, and why does it make your chest feel like a volcano? Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, the tube that connects your throat to your stomach. This backflow of acid can irritate the lining of the esophagus, causing a burning sensation in your chest, often mistaken for heart pain. But what causes heartburn in the first place? Here are some common triggers. 1. Certain foods and drinks. Certain foods and drinks, such as spicy, fatty, or fried foods, citrus fruits, tomato-based products, chocolate, caffeine, carbonated drinks, and alcohol, can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that keeps stomach acid from flowing back into your esophagus. 2. Overeating. Eating large meals can put pressure on your stomach and force stomach acid back into your esophagus. 3. Lying down after eating. Gravity helps keep stomach acid in your stomach, so lying down after eating can cause stomach acid to flow back into your esophagus. 4. Being overweight or obese. Excess weight can put pressure on your stomach, causing stomach acid to flow back into your esophagus. 5. Smoking. Smoking can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to flow back into your esophagus. 6. Certain medications. Some medications, such as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, can irritate the esophagus and cause heartburn. 7. Stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can increase the production of stomach acid, leading to heartburn. While heartburn can be uncomfortable and even painful, it's usually not a sign of a serious condition. However, if you experience heartburn frequently, or it's accompanied by other symptoms, such as difficulty swallowing, chest pain, or shortness of breath, seek medical advice from a healthcare professional. To alleviate heartburn, try these tips. 1. Avoid trigger foods and drinks. Identify and avoid foods and drinks that trigger your heartburn. 2. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating 5 or 6 smaller meals throughout the day. 3. Don't lie down after eating. Wait at least 3 hours after eating before lying down or going to bed. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Try to maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. 5. Wear loose-fitting clothes. Tight clothes, especially around your waist, can put pressure on your abdomen and exacerbate heartburn. 6. Quit smoking. Smoking can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter and increase your risk of heartburn. 7. Elevate your head. Try elevating the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches to help prevent stomach acid from backing up into your esophagus while you sleep. 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help dilute stomach acid and reduce symptoms of heartburn. 9. Consider medication. Over-the-counter antacids, H2 receptor blockers, and proton pump inhibitors can help reduce stomach acid and alleviate symptoms. Living with heartburn can be uncomfortable, but with these tips and tricks, you can manage your symptoms and lead a healthy and happy life. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a heartburn-free future.